Hello, today I'm going to show you how to restore a backup file in ELBS ERP. Go to File, then Restore. Click on Test Connection. Click OK. Click Browse. Find and select your backup file. Click Open. Give a database name. Database name must be non-existent. Click Restore Backup. Click Yes. Now your backup restored successfully with a new account book. Click OK. Close the window. Go to File. Then go to Account Book Manager. Your backup file has been restored here with your given database name. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials.